Aloha and welcome to the Green Channel. There are many different ways for businesses to recycle. In the case of Young Laundry and Dry Cleaning, recycling clothes hangers seems an obvious choice. But General Manager Michael Drace also found a use for old oil and animal fat in his cleaning operation. We'll let him explain.
I actually was born in the business. My father had a laundry in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I worked for him all through school. Came out here in 1974 to work for Young Laundry, and we got into the recycling business in 1991, urging of a neighbor who just insisted that I recycle hangers, and I kept telling him over and over it couldn't be done economically. But finally I sat down and penciled it out, and there was a way to do it and to save money, and the program's been going on for 18 years. The customers will drop their hangers off on this rack. When the rack's full, it's moved to the back of the store so that the driver can pick it up and take it back to our factory. At the factory, the hangers are sorted by type of hanger and ones that are reusable and ones that can't be used over. In the beginning, we were reusing about 75% of the hangers we brought in and then recycling about 25%. We had a big bin that was supplied by our trash hauler, and they would take it out to the recycling. As costs have shifted, we no longer have the bin, and the hangers that we can't use go to H-Power, where they're pulled out and recycled there. Basically, out of 12,000 hangers a week, we were able to reuse 10,000 of them. And over the years, we've reused 9.5 million hangers, which would coat the floor of Aloha Stadium about 2 feet deep, just to give you an idea. In a laundry and dry cleaning operation, the heat is required in almost every operation. In the laundry, in the drying, in the ironing, in the dry cleaning, in spotting, it's required in almost everything. In this way, the steam is created in a remote location and piped into where it's needed inside the plant. All of our steam needs are taken care of by the yellow grease. It's made out of recycled cooking oil and meat byproducts that are rendered and just all kinds of nasty stuff. But it works out great. We currently buy about 3,000 gallons a week. I just wanted to show you how the yellow grease as a product, it's a little unusual and sounded kind of yucky when I described it earlier. When it's cold, it's really quite thick and looks a little like Crisco. This is warmed up to room temperature. In order to get it to work in the boilers and to be used as a fuel, you have to heat it up. This is about 140 degrees. And then it becomes kind of like Wesson oil, or really quite viscous. And you can atomize it and use it for a fuel in a boiler, or I guess it could be used in other things. But that's how we go about using this and creating the heat that we need for our process. I think the main thing that we've learned is that your recycling program needs to fit with what you do, and it needs to save you money if you're a for-profit organization.
Be sure to check out our other Green Channel stories for more ideas on recycling at work and at home. I'm Dara Dung, and thanks for watching the Green Channel.